Happy holidays and Happy New Year 2014. We are sure you are enjoying holidays with your friends and relatives. At the same time, you are giving back to society. We have observed a lot of our people are contributing to food bank, which is a good thing. We should always be with our communities. We should always be sharing love and affection. Sherwood Ford is the largest Ford dealership in North America.
At Sherwood Ford, customer satisfaction drives our success.
वेलकम बैक। आपके लिए हम एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट कवरेज लेके आए हैं। जैसे आपको पता है एडमंटन मशहूर है वेस्ट एडमंटन मॉल के लिए, ऑयलर्स के लिए और वाइट ऐप के लिए। मगर अब की बार जो हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं, क्रिसमस के दिनों में कैंडी केन लेन बहुत मशहूर है एडमंटन की, और कंट्रीज़ में भी है, मगर शायद हमारे काफ़ी लोगों को ये पता नहीं होगा कि ये 8 और 10 दिन का जो इवेंट है वो काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ है और इसकी कवरेज हम आपके पास लेके आए हैं। ये 40 साल से कैंडी केन लेन जो है वो चल रहा है एडमंटन में और लोगों में बहुत सी उत्साह है। लोग ड्यूरिंग दीज हॉलीडेज़ जाते हैं, वहाँ विज़िट करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ, और इसका पूरा लुत्फ़ लेते हैं। इसलिए हम आपके साथ ये कैंडी केन लेन शेयर कर रहे हैं।
बार एज ए विजिटर कनाडा में आया हूँ और कनाडा ये देखकर ये एक्सपीरियंस मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
At All Insurance, we specialize in your personal and commercial needs.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਅਤੇ ਕਮਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰੈਂਸ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਾਂ ਲਈ ਆਲ ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰੈਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਕੀਮਤ ਅਤੇ ਬੈਸਟ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Please stop by and visit one of our insurance professionals today and experience the All Insurance difference.
Odd day to everyday meal. Blue Taj has a variety of mouth-watering vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Satisfy your sweet tooth with our sweets and bakery products. Enjoy unlimited time with your friends and dear ones. Blue Taj, 1523 50th Street Northwest.
Christmas celebrations have been in the full swing, and in our last episode we have shown you Honorable Gene Jordiski had thrown open Christmas open house to his constituents, friends and supporters. This time we have MLA from Edmonton Millwoods, and as you know, Millwoods is also called Mini Punjab. So we have Sohail Qadri, MLA Edmonton Millwoods, who is sharing, meeting and greeting his constituents, friends and supporters.
You know, today we gather here to just, as I said, we are not going to talk about politics at all. You know, I will not say what we have done so far and what we have achieved, but I want to tell you something that my bill passed. And that is actually a great achievement for me. And I really want to thank all my caucus members who have supported me and guided me through that process. You know, being elected as an MLA, you know, this MLA, what you know, stand for MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. So I think I had a very satisfying year this year that I have a bill that I presented. It becomes a government bill and it's got accepted. Last Wednesday, it just got what we call Royal Aston. And I think my brother Shani was there for to enjoy that moment. And I see my great friend came all the way from Pakistan to attend this event. Arshad Gill, thanks for Arshad. Thank you so much. Remember me in your prayers. So God, give me help so I can serve you in your best interest. If some, you know, whoever's celebrating what, it can be Diwali, Vaisakhi, or Christmas, or Hanukkah, or Eid, whatever. So happy celebration. Enjoy this year. And make sure you come up with a good resolution. So we will make sure that we achieve our resolution. As we said as Alberta government, we will not stop building Alberta. We will keep building Alberta for you. Thank you so much and great evening.
We want to you a very, very Merry Christmas, happy and prosperous New Year. It's been an absolute honor for the last year and a half to work alongside Sohail Qadri. We've been friends for many, many years. In fact, goes back to the days we were serving both part of NGOs. We've done a lot of good work together as part of the non-profit organizations, and now have the opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to make a difference in an actual legislation. So I'm very, very honored and proud to be working right beside Sohail Qadri, and of course, whenever we need help for each other, we're standing for each other. Of course, as our Thomas Lukasik mentioned, this is a team sport, and we absolutely have to be able to support each other. But also, at the same time, we also have to be able to win individually as well. And it does take an army of people to maintain and retain our seats. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here on such a cold day. Please continue working hard and continue. We definitely need your thoughts and prayers always. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful and prosperous new year. Thank you so much.
We will be right back after the short break.
Hi, good morning. This is Navjeen. I can assist you in all kind of immigration matters, which includes permanent immigration, PNP programs, work permit, spousal sponsorship. You can contact me at 780-399-5127 or my office line 780-468-3331.
Enjoy luxury living with a commercial feel at Royal Oaks by Cancom Developments. Location and complete satisfaction draw our clients to Royal Oaks. We are 5 minutes south of Edmonton and 10 minutes from the international airport. Let your lifetime investment be Royal Oaks.
बॉलीवुड सेगमेंट में हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं सत्या 2 का फिल्म मेकिंग। आपको पता है कि सत्या पहले पिक्चर बनी और सत्या 2 जो है वो सीक्वल है उसका, और इसमें अब की बार डायरेक्टर बिल्कुल अलग टीम लेके आया है एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस की। आओ बात करते हैं फिल्म मेकर ऑफ सत्या 2।
The challenge, as in, I won't say it as a challenge, it was pretty interesting, yeah, but initially I did think that it's a pretty much challenge because the clarity that he had about the subject matter, now to keep pace with him. Now that, of course, that was started off as a task, but I realized that's the best part of the whole process I had. So,
amazing.
yeah, it was very good, I would say. So it was nice that that we did it all, and we did it in the film is releasing in Telugu and Tamil as well. So where Satya is being played by another actor, Sharvanan. So let's hope the subject matter story remains exactly the same, but of course we shot it like twice in Hindi and whether it's Telugu. So structurally, we had to design it that way, but as a film, as the core substance, it remains exactly the same. Working with an intelligent director who was so clear, that clarity he had about the subject matter and his characters, that was unbelievable. So now that made me enjoy the whole process so much. And plus, the subject was interesting. So in a way, it's like a futuristic film. Like so far, whatever gangster films that we see, it's been always based either directly or loosely on some or the other past gangsters. Now here, there's this thought about this gangster never occurred, what we're talking about in Satya. It's an imagination that there is a possibility. Now what if a gangster or a don thinks in these lines and creates an underworld company and an underworld organization like never before. So now whatever gangsters we had in the past, they operated in certain ways. Now learning from their either you call mistakes and or their experience where these guys scored or where they failed, faltered. So now a man, after studying all this, now doesn't believe in the existing system. Now he creates a new underworld with that kind of thought. Now that's the premise of the whole film. So a common man, after 15 years, another man, a new guy comes to Bombay. His name is also Satya. And he starts his own underworld.
To start with, there is no relevance with the first part. ना ही ये सीक्वल है ना ही प्रीक्वल है. इसकी कहानी किरदार बिल्कुल अलग है पहली पार्ट से. पहली कहानी, पहले सत्या की कहानी थी एक इंसान के बारे में जो 1998 में बम्बई आता है और उसके साथ कुछ हादसे होते हैं और वो अंडरवर्ल्ड का रुख ले लेता है. बट ये कहानी एक लड़के के बारे में है जो 2013 में बम्बई आता है एक नए आइडिया, एक इंटेंशन, एक मोटो के साथ कि उसे अंडरवर्ल्ड री इन्वेंट करना है. उसके काम करने के तरीके अलग हैं, उसके बात करने का तरीका अलग है, उसका कंपनी का तरीका अलग है. सो ये उसकी कहानी है, ये उस किरदार के बारे में कहानी है और लोगों को काफ़ी पसंद आ रही है. Greatest character I have heard or I have seen. I'm not saying because I have done that, I have projected that part, but I honestly believe that. क्योंकि इतना पावरफुल कैरेक्टर आजकल लिखा नहीं जाता और इतना पावरफुल कैरेक्टर के ऊपर फिल्में बनती नहीं. तो I feel fortunate to, it's my first film and I feel fortunate to play such kind of a character. I'm getting very, very positive feedback towards the performance, towards the story, towards the everything. Still waiting for that. Let's see. But yeah, I got the best compliment from Mr. Ram Gopal Verma. He was very happy and he said, you have done justice to this character. So yeah, that was the most important thing for me as an actor. If my director is happy with my performance, because it's films are director's medium. ये किरदार उन्होंने लिखा है, उनका विजन था और उन्हें पता था कि ये किरदार कैसा होना चाहिए. If he is happy with my performance, I'm happy.
I wouldn't say there was anything difficult because there was no difficult scenario because before filming any scene, we would discuss about the whole thing, and sometimes we would actually change a lot of things just before a day, and the change was only just to make it more practical. Because on one hand, as I said, that he was very clear, and because of his clarity, it made me very clear even before we went on the floors. So that for that purpose, I don't see that we had any difficulty in filming any particular scene. See, Satya, as you mentioned, as the brand name, because the previous Satya was not just a big hit, it was remarkably well filmed. I had always been in love with that film. Now, to be a part of a so-called of the same franchise, Satya 2, now on one hand, it was a pleasure to be a part of such a thing. Concept in itself was so exciting. And coming from a filmmaker who's made Satya and Company and Sarkar and Rangila and so many other films which I've loved in the past. So it was always a pleasure to be a part of a project like this and to work with. I would say this is one of the most intelligent piece of work that I've come across as an audience. So now it might sound, I don't want to sound bragging because I'm part of the project personally, but when I see the film, I'm actually amazed that way, because the amount of intelligence, the film, because of the grip, it has no loose ends. So I'm happy.
Choice Travel and Tour offers air tickets, hotel and cruise packages, and travel insurance at great prices. Choice Travel is your right choice.
For healthy teeth and smiling face, meet Dr. Jatinder Singh Parhar, General Dentist, at Northside Edmonton and Southside Edmonton locations.
SA Corporate Financing Services was an idea initiated in 2006. It has been serving the residents of Alberta, BC and Ontario and providing the services in business financing, business brokerage, personal property appraisals. If you're looking for a business to buy, to sell, if you're looking to finance your business for expansion, for startup or franchise, call me at 1-800-839-8954.
ਸੌਂਗ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਵੀਕ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ਕਨਵਰ ਗਰੇਵਾਲ ਦਾ ਗਾਣਾ। ਔਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਨਵਰ ਗਰੇਵਾਲ ਬੜਾ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਸੂਫੀਆਨਾ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ 'ਚ ਗਾਣ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਪੇਸ਼ ਹੈ ਕਨਵਰ ਗਰੇਵਾਲ ਦਾ ਗਾਣਾ।
कोशिश तां कीती है, कोशिश तां कीती है, लभण लई लखां ने जिन्हां नूं तूं दसदा ओ कोई होर अखां ने, होर अखां ने, ओ कोई होर अखां ने। पत्थर दी इमारत है ओ जिथे जाके बहने पत्थर दी इमारत है ओ जिथे जाके बहने तेरा पता नहीं मिलता उंज नाम ता लेने चुब्बियां भी लाइयां ने, चुब्बियां भी लाइयां ने, अमन फिर भी गंदा है तेरे नाम दी महिमा भी ਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਦਾ ਧੰਦਾ ਏ ਬੜਾ ਖੌਰੂ ਪਾਇਆ ਏ ਬੜਾ ਖੌਰੂ ਪਾਇਆ ਏ ਓ ਕੁੱਟ ਤਬਲੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇ ਸਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਮੰਦਰ ਓਏ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਧਾਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਡੁੱਬਦੀ ਬੇੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਡੁੱਬਦੀ ਬੇੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਜੜੀ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇਰੀ ਰਹਿਮਤ ਕਿੰਜ ਮੰਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਏ ਕੌਡੀ ਵੀ ਪਾਈ ਨਾ ਕੌਡੀ ਵੀ ਪਾਈ ਨਾ ਓ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੀਮਤ ਕੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਤਾਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਏ ਲੱਭਣ ਲਈ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਜਿੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਬੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਾਈ ਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ
हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारा ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा और अपने परिवार के साथ हॉलीडेज़ का लुत्फ़ ले रहे होंगे। स्टे वार्म एंड ड्राइव सेफ।